Good morning! I am flying to Spain today. It's my first time there. Welcome! May I have your passport, please? Gate 25. Boarding starts at 7:30.
Thank you so much.
I must take off my shoes and jewelry here. Security rules. No beep. I passed security. Now I collect my things.
Gate 25 is this way. I follow the airport signs.
Wow, that airplane is huge. A double-decker, so big and beautiful. Time to get on the airplane to Spain. Walking to the plane now. Almost there. So exciting right now. Hello, thank you. My seat is 42A, by the window.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight.
I'm in my seat. Window seat 42A. Spain, here I come. Ready to relax and enjoy the flight. Next stop, Spain.
I have arrived. The airport in Madrid is beautiful. Hello, Spain.
Where is my suitcase? Ah, carousel number 6. Perfect. There it is, my suitcase. Now I am ready to explore.
So, this is the center of Madrid. I am finally here in Spain. It is amazing.
Checking into my hotel now. Time for a quick rest, then Spain adventures begin. A quick rest. My body is so tired. The bed is very soft. I feel much better. Now, let's go outside and see the city. I am very hungry. I smell something delicious. This place looks traditional and smells amazing. Time for some tapas. I am tasting the tapas. The jamon is perfect. The tortilla is hot. I love Spain. After that incredible meal, I need a walk. The Parque del Retiro is perfect. It is beautiful and peaceful. The sun is setting over the Plaza Mayor. This square is so historic. I feel the history of Madrid. Night has fallen, but Madrid never sleeps. The streets are glowing. I smell chocolate and churros. I feel happy. What a long day, but I am so happy. Hello, family. I am in Spain. Look at this beautiful view.